My phone! No! I started with making the design. I went through a lot of mistakes. It actually took me 3 days to get an acceptable design. Now it's time to use the device that we made the previous videos. Make sure to check the link in the description to know how to do it. First, I want to make a prototype from paper to make sure if I did everything right. And this is not right. I did some adjustment, I copy it, and let's see. That's way more better. I took my time designing the handle and it's look cool. Yeah, that's great. I guess now it's time to cut some wood. We were gonna cut the wood using our Jigsaw cutting station that we built in the previous videos. All the link will be in the description.
The sheep glue side effect. It's not how it works.
Now we need the cheapest selfie stick that you can ever find. I recommend you to use a fishing wire, but it costs more than the whole thing, so I'm gonna use this rope. That's a problem. Fixed. Now let's try to increase the height a little bit. Okay, the idea is working. So now let's see how accurate this thing is. We have some items here with the various shapes and sizes. First object is easy. The second one too. The third one is a piece of cake. But it's hard to grab this object. And it's even worse with the pen. It can hold a sheet of paper, but you can easily pull it out. And as you can see, this is the first problem. But before trying to fix it, let's try to increase the height. When you increase the height to maximum and pull the trigger, the rope is actually pulling the stick back again. And the rope becomes loose again. To fix that, I went to the shop and I found a selfie stick that allows me to control the height. And I bought it. Unfortunately, I bought it. Now, let's replace it. That's better than before. Now it is time for grab accuracy test with much smaller objects. As you can see, now we can grab any object with any size. Height test time. First level, so far so good. Second level, very good. Third level. Oh, look at the size of this thing. Whoops, we are out of rope. Perfect. That's perfect.